One day it's spring, next day it's winter. It's very cold. Minus 6 degrees Celsius. We're only 5 minutes in a 2-hour walk and Anne wants already to return.
For coffee.
So, as you can see with this weather, not a lot will happen this week in the van, but last week we made some huge progress. We installed the walls, brought the cabinets into the van, and we went to the city to buy the cushions for our seating area, right?
It's so beautiful and cozy now.
Someone's very happy.
Here we are in the Sleepstraat in the city of Ghent. The place to buy textiles at one of the many Turkish shops. The Kerman shop is specialized in custom-made cushions. After discussing the details with Mr. Kerman, we had to do some extensive testing of the materials. We hope Boris will like them. These look great. See the sewing pattern. See? That's it?
Yes.
This? No, this side. No, to dry. No, dry.
Good morning. It's an early start of the day, early start of the week. It's around 6 o'clock. Last week didn't make a lot of progress. Finished the painting. Started the first layer in the van itself. But starting today we should see a lot of progress. Hopefully we can install the walls and a few cabinets already today. It's going to be very cold but dry. So hope it stays this way this week. So by the end of the week we should see a lot of progress. First, wash and breakfast. Oh, it's extremely cold today. We put an electrical heater in the van, but the doors are still open, so. We're going to wall this frame, hang the cabinets on the floor. So by tonight, maybe some change already.
And now André comes into the picture again. To attach the walls, an extra hand comes in handy. One can't do this on his own. My man alone. Here comes our first kitchen cabinet. Doesn't it look beautiful? Always check things twice. One of our electrical wires got stuck between the wall and the cabinet. Relax, André said. Just pull the wire and it will be alright. André is right again.
Me happy. See? Very sturdy. Happy with the result so far. One of these days I can start installing our puck lights. It's starting to look like a tiny home, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I'm very happy too. Look here, wow. Look how beautiful. Wow, that's for my clothes. All my clothes can fit in those two. I have no other choice. See you. Next job of the day, sawing Boris's countertops.
Morning. See?
Your daily duty? From
No,
now
no.
on?
My daily duty for today. See, a lot has changed. Yesterday I was night I was too tired to give a quick update. So you can see we installed the walls and all the cabinets. The walls are 6mm plywood. We screw the cabinets in the ceiling, in the walls. I can start with my bug lights today. This one. Yeah, starting to look like a real camper van, isn't it?
I think so.
Think so.
Great. With the
Don't
cabinet
sound
doors.
convinced.
I'm convinced.
All right.
And we have more good news for today, but we show it later on. Yeah.
Have
Very
a
excited.
surprise.
Very surprise.
Someone couldn't wait for her surprise. So again, we're on our way to the city of Ghent. Made a quick stop at the Turkish bakery to buy Turkish bread and simit. And then we're going to pick up our surprise. Ready for your surprise?
Surprise number 2 today. Yes. Where are we? Kerman. Follow me, no back.
Discussions should be ready.
Back at Kerman, the Turkish shop. Discussions look so great, even better than we could have expected. Woo! I'm so excited.
And she just can't hide it.
I know, I want this. I want this. It's hurting. And?
Me happy.
You happy, I happy. Sit down. We're so lucky these cushions fit. They are the perfect size, just a few millimeters bigger, and we would have a problem. Oh, cozy place. Ugh, I don't like this one.
Perfect.
Oh, wow. It's goed. Kussen,
Huh?
yeah.
Very slippery.
On the plastic. Good, very good. Very pleased.
See the wire sticking out? I'll draw them in. I keep them long enough, just in case for the future. Oh, this is a very long one. It's a bit shorter. Although last one, and hopefully this is another job done. Strip it. Et voila, just like that. Tuck the wires in. Here the backlight.
Steve is becoming a real professional in electricity, placing our overhead lights in just a few minutes.
It's a rainy morning, but not so cold, so perfect to work inside the van. This morning when it was still dark, I finished the panels for the doors, third coat of paint. Now I'm installing the countertops and my gas stove. It's looking good, right?
An unexpected find for Boris. We're so lucky André found some old wood panels in his warehouse. Probably from the 60s or 70s. They suit Boris perfectly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this van build, check out our playlist and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.